Langley City is rapidly becoming a hub for urban living, and no project exemplifies this better than our latest land assembly development located right behind us. This multi-family development is located in the heart of Langley City, between 53rd Avenue and Michaud Crescent, from 200th Street going east to 200A. What was once a neighborhood of detached homes has now become transformed into a thriving community that offers the very best of modern living. As you can see behind us, one of the buildings is already completed, offering modern rental condos that feature luxury finishings and the latest technology. Our project is designed to meet the needs of anyone who values convenience, comfort, and style. Our land assembly project is not just one building, but a whole community of modern, sustainable buildings that will redefine what it means to live in Langley City. There's a variety of floor plans and layouts to suit every taste and budget, from cozy studios to spacious 3-bedroom units. We have an experienced team of real estate professionals who have worked tirelessly to bring this exciting project to fruition. From negotiating with property owners to securing financing, we have the skills and knowledge needed to create successful land assemblies. If you're looking to assemble property in Langley City or want to learn more about our project, please get in touch with us today.